Hi, and welcome to the TARC Tiny K private Facebook group. If you're viewing this message, it means you want to be part of our online community. And so we're going to talk about what that looks like today. We are very excited to be able to provide you with an opportunity to connect with other parents via our private Facebook group. We know that connection with other parents is critical at any time, but particularly right now during COVID-19, when our usual methods of contact are limited. We want to provide a positive, safe, and empowering community, and in order to do that, everyone plays a role in keeping our community safe, positive, and empowering. So let's talk a little bit about our engagement policy. We want to clearly state that cyberbullying in any form will not be tolerated. Cyberbullying is any type of harassing, threatening, demeaning, or embarrassing of another person online. Adults can be both the perpetrators or the victims of cyberbullying. When insulting, embarrassing, or harassing information is posted on Facebook, it will have a large audience. There are different types of cyberbullying. Harassment is sustained and intentional bullying, outing, posting private or embarrassing information, dissing, sending or posting cruel information, trickery, gaining trust of another member to then publicize their secrets, and trolling, which is deliberately provoking a response through insults. All of these types of cyberbullying are types of cyberbullying, and we will not tolerate them in our Facebook community. So our role will be that we will have a very quick response to any report of bullying information on our sites by both removing the posts and banning the perpetrator. Cyberbullying has been likened to a virus. We want to stop it quickly, but also fairly and equitably. So we will respond to any reports of cyberbullying as quickly as we can. And if that bullying is harassing or if it is threatening, then we also would consider the right to pull in local law enforcement as well. What your role will be, most importantly, is to report any cyberbullying immediately to a staff member. Document by screenshot or photo any evidence of the bullying, and remember to help support other parents, and remember that everyone on the page is on the journey of parenting. We don't want anyone to be the victim of cyberbullying on our site. If you have any questions, these are some of the resources that I've found to be helpful in preventing cyberbullying, and I would encourage you to look at any of them or to talk with a staff member if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.